Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna to talk about intelligence library management system. We are from group Undefined Warcraft. So now let's get started. The intelligent library management system focus on the development of an intelligent library management system. It leverages artificial intelligence to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of library operation. Traditionally, library management system often face challenges such as cataloging errors, inefficient resource allocation, and time-consuming manual processes. The integration of AI in automating tasks, improving search capabilities, and providing personalized user experience, including borrowing books and returning service. The main objectives of this intelligent library management system are to enhance library operation and increase users' satisfaction.
Our group delved into addressing common issues in library management by exploring the concept of an intelligent library management system. This project emphasized the importance of efficient book storage and accurate tracking of borrowing and returning activities. By utilizing Python programming, we aim to develop a system that only enhances our coding skills but also simplifies the overall management of library operations. This project serves as a practical application of problem-solving techniques, offering hands-on experience in implementing solutions through Python.
I will discuss related work on developing an intelligent library management system (ILMS) using AI to address common library management issues. In 2018, Tela envisioned AI-powered smart libraries that adapt to evolving customer needs, highlighting tools like machine learning and natural language processing to automate processes and enhance service quality. Crawford, 2017, emphasized that AI could improve cataloging precision, reduce errors, and streamline operations, allowing librarians to focus on engaging with patrons and critical tasks. Our project aims to optimize library operations through automations, enhance search functionality, and provide personalized user experience. Smart libraries create user-friendly environments with features like 24/7 self-check-in and out systems, intelligent seat booking, and 3D AR/VR navigation for easy access to resources. Using modern scientific and technological tools is essential to fully realize the potential of smart libraries, enhancing digital services accessibility and efficiency. AI integration makes libraries more adaptive and responsive to user, creating a dynamic and efficient environment. This review will examine AI applications in smart libraries, evaluate performance, discuss limitations, and explore future uses to understand how AI can transform and improve library operations.
Next, I will continue on implementation. We have 4 implementation. Number 1, data model. Number 2, business logic. Number 3, presentation logic. And number 4, main application. The first one, data model. Data model are like blueprint for our data. They show what information we need to manage the library, such as title, author, and genre, and how these pieces of information are connected. The second one, business logic. Business logic is the set of rules and processes that make the system work. It includes things like borrow book, returning book, and the system intelligent feature like book recommendation. The third one is presentation logic. Presentation logic is about how users see and interact with the system. It includes the design of the user interface and how the information is displayed. The last one is main application. The main application brings everything together. It connects the data model, business logic, and presentation logic to make sure the system works smoothly as a whole. We start with the data model, which defines the structure of our data. In our system, the book class represents a single book in the library. It includes attributes such as title, author, category, and a flag to check if the book is borrowed. This process ensures the system accurately tracks the availability of each book.
Next, for business logic, the code class library can handle every book such as addition of new books, borrowing and returning books, search books and recommended books. For the next code, the function is to list all the books in the library. It is also have a dictionary that keeps track of who borrowed which book and allowing us to add a new book to the library. The next code shows the method where the user can borrow book if it's available. The first code in the slide shows a method that allows user to return a borrowed book, and the second code, which is under the first code, shows the method that helps user to search book. The third code shows method that can display all books in a specific category. Lastly, it is a method to recommend some available books to the user.
Now we will move on to the third part of this presentation is the presentation logic. The library app class function. The library app class function is the function to set up the user interface by using Kinter, and it will connect to the library class and to handle the various actions by the user. Next is the recommend book function. This function will always recommend books upon startup, and the button function will appear at the user interface upon startup. Next is add book function. Adding book function is the functions to prompt the user to enter the details of the new book, and it will add to the library. Then borrowing book function will prompt the user for the book's title and borrower's name, then attempts to borrow the book. Then return book function. Returning book function will prompt the user for the book title to return. Then search book function will prompt the user for a keyword to search for a book. Display books by category function. Displaying books by category function will prompt the user for a category to display books. And recommended book function. Recommending book function available books to the user on startup and after certain action. The last part of this presentation is the main application. The main application, in order to add book to the instance of the library, we have built one. Then, passing the root of window and the library instance, we will build an instance of the library app at a Kinter root window. At last, the Kinter main loop is launched, and it will always recommend the books that have in the library. Thank you.
So now we are going to show how our code is going on. I will share my screen. Firstly, go to the Python application. It is ID. This one. Then click File, New File, then paste the code. Then click Run at the top of this. Then click OK. Name the file as Library Management System. Just click yes. Then output will like this. Firstly, the first menu will appear is recommended books. This is our menu. Let me give the example. We want to display book by category. I forgot. We need to click OK. Okay. For example, the category of fiction. Okay. The menu will appear like this. The fiction category. Then at the menu, we try add a book. Make an example like WWE. Okay. The author of the book is H. Okay. The category of what is sport. Okay. Then it's successfully hidden. Now let's search for the book that we had been added. Tada!